Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Take Two Fishing. My name's William, and of course, I'm still your host. So I am in the truck with my compadre, my buddy Steve. We are rolling down the road to go to a private lake to do some fishing. I'm looking forward to this little adventure. Hope you guys stick around to the very end. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave me a comment in the comment section. I love commenting back to you guys. So hang in there, man. We'll be there shortly. There you go. Well, as you can see, so we got some old trees sitting over here. Hopefully we can get us a bite or two somewhere in that general area. Dark June bug with a chartreuse tail. I think Mr. Steve over there's got a Senko. Root bear. Fizzes while it's in the water. So if there's anything to be had, we're gonna get it. So hey you guys, check out that gentleman standing on there over on the tail end of that boat. That's Mr. Dustin. Mr. Dustin has been in a previous video of mine. So Mr. Dustin and Uncle Mark out here fishing at the members only location. Good seeing you guys. So Mr. Steve here, looks like he's hooked him a cat. For sure, a good keeping cat too at that, boy. Oh man. Pull that bugger up. I was gonna say you're gonna have to net that joker.
He's interested. Well, I thought I had.
There you go. Now that is a good looking cat right there. I cannot believe you caught that thing on the worm. And I bet he swallowed.
It's a catfish.
Sir, stay over on your boat. Yes, sir, on a worm. I think they're a little confused out here.
Did you get that on video?
I did, sir. It's still, matter of fact, I'm still running.
You want a catfish?
I do not want a catfish. That is a good looking catfish.
Yeah.
And I think the pond wants it back, Steve.
Okay.
Be the hero. Look at this, folks. Look, he's gonna be the hero. Look at that. Wait a minute, boy, look at this scratches on that thing. That's a nice looking cat though. It is, isn't it?
Cat.
Huh?
It is a nice looking
Nice looking cat. Mr. Steve has caught a cat.
You know what? That was my last.
And did he swallow your worm?
It's gone.
Oh man.
It's in that mess somewhere. That's my last gumbo.
No, I'm so sorry, sir. Alright. Oh man. As you can see, hooked one on a Mattingly custom bait.
That was on Maddie?
On my Matty.
Oh.
Yes, sir. Nice little bass there. I can get a picture of that one.
For Instagram?
Yes, sir.
What's that, green and purple?
Yes, sir. Must smooch them. Alright. Now, let's see if I can get them back here.
Belly on too, though. That fella's eating good.
There we go. Fire in the hole, man. There we go. fish number 2 on Mattingly Custom Baits, folks. If I can grab a hold of him. Dang, he don't want to be still.
Huh?
Dang, he don't want to be still.
Yes,
I just want to be still.
well, grab hold of him.
Dadgummit. He don't want to let me get my finger in there. I know he gonna wind up damaging me.
Better you than me.
There we go. You got pliers you can get to easily? I hooked him deep.
Huh? Y'all leaving?
There we go. Number 2.
What do you say? 5, 4 pounds?
Yeah, easily.
4 or 5 pounds. It's good catfish. Yeah. See you, buddy. Hey, me and Bill will see you in the morning.
Here you go, folks. Kind of blooded that one up just a little bit, but I think it's gonna be all right.
Oh, we got some. Thank you. You want some water?
No, I'm good. Fish number 2. Do you need that color, Steve? Fish number 2 on the Mattingly Custom Bait Trick Worm, folks. Now, if you guys have not checked out Mattingly Custom Baits, please do so. You can catch them at Mattingly Custom Baits. There you go. Mattingly Custom Baits. Find them on Facebook, Instagram, or at mattinglycustombaits.com. So it's fish number 2. Same spot. Steve has now jumped over on the Mattingly Custom Bait. A bait for success. What do you think about that bait for success?
For today, yeah, for you it is.
Yes, it is.
But you ain't caught a freaking catfish yet, though.
No, sir. I have not caught a catfish on a worm, folks. That's all right. That's
I got the record.
a... Yes, you do, sir.
Woohoo!
Nice cat, too. Nice cat.
Yeah, that ain't what I'm here for. Maybe I need to bring my catfish rig. I gotta catch me a bass then. Spin me around a little bit.
Oh, there we go. Ah, there we go. I got him that time. There. Yeah, it's on, I think. I am rolling.
Oh, you are rolling?
Yes, sir. No, if he gonna sit still.
He's right there on the bank, wasn't it?
Yeah. He ain't gonna sit still either. Dadgummit. I slung my worm. Oh! He knocked the fart out of me.
He's scared.
No, he's scared, but dadgummit, I don't want to hook on the back side of my hand.
It'll always hurt for a little while.
It hurt for more for a little while, but dadgummit, he ain't throwing that hook back up in there deep behind his eye.
There's pliers right there still.
Dadgummit, boy, I'm about to sit still. No, no, but he's about to aggravate me. He's working on getting that hook slung.
Yeah, he done got it coming out of his eyeball there.
I'll bend that hook getting it out.
Yeah, probably so.
Tell you what I'm gonna have to do. To cut that hook off.
Pull it the other way.
Yeah, probably. There we go. Finally.
Same thing.
I'm gonna hurry up and get this dude back in the water.
He's got carpet rash.
Hey, hadn't Gary got some carpet burn? See if I can get some video going on a slow release.
Oh, for Instagram.
There we go. So, guys, before it gets too late, I want to make sure that give a shout out to Josh over at Magdalene Custom Baits. If you guys have not hooked up with those guys over at Magdalene Custom Baits, please do so. Tell them Josh, tell Josh I said hello. Check out their webpage. Believe they're going to be going to Columbia, Kentucky next weekend for a expo that's going to be taking place up there. I'll be up there as well myself. But hey guys, look, what it's about right now is do me a favor. Hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment in the comment section. Giveaway days is still going. Be sure to get in on that. The way that works is real simple. Leave a comment in the comment section. I love commenting back to those comments that are left. Leave a comment in the comment section. If you're chosen, your name's automatically entered into the grand prize drawing. Man, I had a great day out here on Sportsman Lake, Portland, Tennessee. So again, guys, appreciate you coming along for the ride, and see you next time.